Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video will be a Sephora haul as well as my recommendations for the upcoming Sephora sale. So I'll be showing you guys some items that I purchased from Sephora recently, as well as recommendations if you are shopping the sale, items that I feel like you need to have, items that I love, items that I feel like you should pick up with this discount. I'll be sharing it all. Okay, so before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts, with your comments, with your opinions. Go ahead and leave it down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we start off with today's video, I did want to let you guys know that if you are shopping with Sephora online, you can use Rakuten. Rakuten is basically a way to make money from shopping. Like, yes, you get paid to shop. Like, what? So I would highly recommend to check it out. I use it. It's not no type of gimmick, not no type of fraud, none of that. You sign up real quick, real easy, and you can put the plugin on your internet browser on Google Chrome, and every time you're shopping on a website, it will pop up and tell you the % cash back that you'll get from shopping with the retailer. So I'll go ahead and leave my link down below for you guys to sign up. Make sure y'all sign up. Rakuten is that girl. My checks be looking good, and your checks can be looking good too. Okay, sis? So go ahead and sign up, and now let's go ahead and get started with the video. So as you guys may or may not know, every November Sephora has a sale. I feel like the sale is earlier this year. It's usually later in the month of November, but hey, we'll take it. I'll go ahead and put details about the sale here. But the sale is 20% off for Rouge members from October 30th to November 9th. For VIB, 15% off from November 3rd to November 9th. And Insider is 10% off from November 5th to November 9th. So as you guys may or may not know, I am a Rouge member. Sephora gets my coins, okay? That's the one thing about it. Sephora gets my coins. So I'm super excited for the sale because, in case y'all don't know, I try to only shop with Sephora whenever they have a sale. So the items I'm going to show you guys in this haul are from their friends and family sale that they had not too long ago. So I did get 20% off of these items too, which is a reason why I shop, because if it's no discount, ain't no shopping for Kensthetic. So I went ahead and picked up some items. So I'm going to start off by showing these items to you guys. The first thing that I picked up, which I might actually return, or I don't know, maybe I'll keep it just to have it, but it is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I wear it in the shade 410, and the reason why I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, is because Fenty had a sale a few days ago. It ended on the 19th. Yeah, the 19th, and I did pick up one of these foundations, and I got more than 20% off of it. So I'm like, do I just use that one? But I feel like, you know, I'm always gonna need foundation, so I might as well just go ahead and keep this one, and I just won't order another one in the upcoming sale. But this has been my go-to foundation. I absolutely love it. I don't know why I slept on it for so long, but this foundation, the color match is perfect for me. The consistency is perfect for me. It doesn't break my skin out. And you guys may or may not know, I have acne prone skin, so this foundation is that girl. Okay, the coverage, flawless. The next thing I picked up from Sephora was Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. I've heard so many people raving about this scent, so I was like, let me go ahead and pick up the rollerball to see what the hype is about. I believe the rollerball was $28 retail price, and this is the packaging, real cute. And I went ahead and swatched it already, but I'll swatch it again just in my memory. Ooh, this scent is an equal balance between like fresh scents and like floral scents, if that makes sense. And just to give you guys some additional information about the Good Girl scent from Carolina Herrera, it is in the floral fragrance family. It's described as warm florals as the scent type, and the key notes of this perfume are tuberose, jasmine, and tonka bean. The hype behind the scent is real. I absolutely love it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and order the big size during the holiday savings event. it just smells so rich. It smells so luxurious. I absolutely love it. If you haven't tried this out, I would recommend, I don't know if Sephora is still doing samples of fragrances, but if you can go in and get a sample of the fragrance, or you can purchase the rollerball, see what you think of it, and then go ahead and purchase the full size. So the next item that I picked up from Sephora is the Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter. I have been using this on my brows after I fill them in and do what I gotta do to them, and I feel like this allows my brows to last longer during the day. Lately, I've been wearing my faces for more than just sitting down and recording videos. Your girl has actually been out and about. So I've been trying out this brow setter, and my brows stay in place, like up, sitting, and they last all day long. They don't rub off. They don't give like that see-through effect that I feel like I was getting from my brows at one point. So if you don't set your brows, set your brows with the Benefit Cosmetics, because this has been bae. Okay, the next product that I picked up from Sephora was my Holy Grail eyebrow product, and that is a brow wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I use the shade dark brown. This has been my Holy Grail brown product since I started wearing makeup, and I did cheat on her a few times. I'm gonna admit it, I did cheat on her, but every time I cheated on her, it gave me more and more reasons why I love this brow product so much. It does a great job filling my brows in. It stays super crisp each and every time I use it. It's not like it gets dull at the ends. It gives me great coverage. It doesn't make my brows look too light, too dark. It gives me like an equal median, and I absolutely love this. So I'm gonna continue to use this. I do want to try to get back into dip brows, so I actually may pick one up during the sale, just so you know, experiment, see what I've been missing or what I haven't been missing, because I haven't used dip brows since before I even started my YouTube channel. So I think I'm gonna buy one and try it out and see, you know, how I like it now. Comment down below and let me know if you guys use dip brow, what you guys think about dip brows. Do you think it's something I need to pick up and, you know, explore with again, because it has been years since I've used dip brow on my eyebrows. My next purchase was influenced by Instagram. I saw this reel by a black content creator. I forgot her name, but she was just doing her eyebrows, and it was like a cool, aesthetically pleasing video, and she used this product. And I low-key feel like Fenty Beauty comes out with so many things so quickly that I miss some of their releases, and then I'm like, wait, Fenty Beauty came out with this, they came out with this. So this was a product I believe they came out with recently. It is their Brow MVP, which is a sculpting brow wax pencil and styler. So what it is basically a like wax stick on one end and a brush on the other end. So I use this to, and I believe the right way to use it is to like prep your eyebrows before you fill them in. If this could come out the box, that would be perfect. So one end you have a brush and the other end you have a wax stick. So I actually used it on my brows today for the first time. I'm gonna use it a couple more times and give you guys an update on it in a upcoming chit chat get ready with me. So if you guys don't keep up with my chit chat get ready with me, then what you doing, sis? Because I be doing my makeup and talking my sugar honey iced tea, so you guys should join in on that series. I'm also trying to incorporate new makeup products, try out new products, discover new ways of doing my makeup. So if you guys are interested in all of that, then go ahead and check out that series. I do have acne prone skin, so I will be sharing my perspectives from this, you know, experience. So yeah, super excited to keep trying this and see how it works on my brows, because I've been trying to not get my brows done. Like I just tweeze them at home, which I've been doing since even before quarantine, and I feel like my brows are actually growing. Like my brows used to be so thin, so misshaped, but now, you know, they looking real healthy or whatever. So I'm just trying to take care of them and make sure that they are sitting, present, and ready to shine and, you know, represent me at all times. So I do plan on trying out some new brow products and seeing what they offer. The last item I picked up from Sephora was from Rare Beauty. So when Rare Beauty came out, I wasn't really like amazed by the launch, maybe because so much makeup is coming out so quickly, and I'm just like, I'm trying not to spend money, okay? So y'all doing all of this, y'all trying to, you know, break my bad habits. So when Rare Beauty came out, I wasn't really like running to Sephora to pick up any products from the line, but I did come across their lippies when I was browsing on Sephora's website, and I saw this shade and it really stuck out to me. So in case you guys don't know, I love liquid lipsticks. It's just something about them that just, I don't know, I just am not really a fan of regular lipsticks anymore. So I did pick up the shade Strength. This shade is described as a dark cool red, so I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand so you guys can see. The consistency is also, it seems very moisturizing. I haven't used it on my lips yet, but this is how Strength looks. So I'm super excited to try it out, and if I like it, then I may get 1 or 2 more during the holiday savings event, just so I could get it on a little discount. So those are all of the items that I purchased from Sephora recently. As I mentioned, I did purchase these items during their friends and family event, so I did get 20% off of these items. But moving on now to my Sephora recommendations for this year's holiday savings event. So the first item that I would recommend is the Lancome foundation. In case you guys don't know, before trying the Fenty Beauty hydrating foundation, Lancome was and still is one of my go-to foundations. I absolutely love it. The only thing is that it is expensive, especially compared to the Fenty Beauty. I think the Lancome is like $10 more than the Fenty Beauty, and when you beat in your face and you use the makeup often, $10 is a big deal. Okay, so if you are someone who wants to try the Lancome foundation, then now will be a great time to pick it up because you'll get it at a discount. With the Lancome foundation, the coloring is kind of tricky, which I have noticed. Like, I can be anywhere from a 460 to a 500. 460 is like my winter shade, and 500 is like I'm on vacation, I have a tan, my skin is looking real good shade. So if you are trying to figure out what shade to get in the Lancome foundation, I would highly recommend to check out YouTube videos just to get a sense of what shade you would be. Their undertones are very accurate. So I think I use the undertones golden yellow undertone. So 460, 495, and 500 I believe are all golden yellow undertones. So those are the shades that I've used from Lancome foundation. But just for reference, I am the shade Macau in NARS foundations, and I am the shade 410 in the Fenty Beauty foundations and concealers. So if you are interested in trying the Lancome foundation and you are similar skin tones to me, then I would recommend getting 460 for this time of the year. And if you're using it in somewhere that there's a warmer climate, if you're living in the islands or whatever, then I would recommend getting the shade 500. The next product that I would recommend for the Sephora sale is the Huda Beauty setting powder. You guys, if y'all watch any of my makeup videos, y'all know that is my go-to setting powder. Like, it's so finely milled. It does such a great job setting products. Like, it's really amazing. I used to use a Laura Mercier setting powder, and honestly, Huda Beauty is way better than Laura Mercier. That's just my personal opinion. Okay, don't come for me. But Huda Beauty is that girl when it comes to the setting powders. I would highly recommend. I use the shade Kunafa, and it's more of like a golden shade, but I feel like it's similar to like a banana setting powder, if that's what you're used to or if that's what you use. So if you are looking for a new setting powder, if you do want to try it out, because the hype is real, okay? Like, I saw the girls talking about it. I was watching Dana Alexa, and she was raving about it, and I was like, nah, I need to go ahead and try this out. And ever since I tried it, I have not checked for any other setting powder, okay? The next item that I recommend during the Sephora sale are Skylark scents. I have 3 scents from Skylark, and I absolutely love them. I randomly found out about it one day when I was in Sephora just browsing around the store, and it was on like a big poster for like clean fragrance. And as you guys may or may not know, I'm trying to make more of a conscious effort in my lifestyle to just use clean products. So when it comes to clean hair care, clean skin care, clean scents, I'm just trying to transition just so that I can live more of a clean lifestyle. I'm not sitting here saying that I 100% live a clean lifestyle, not saying that at all, but I just feel like certain areas and certain products I do have the ability to transition over, so that's what I do. But I love Skylark scents. They just feel and smell so clean, so refreshing. These scents last long. Like, if I put it on a shirt and I put the shirt down and I pick it up a week later, I'ma still smell it. So if you are on the market for new fragrances, then I would highly recommend to check out Skylark. I also think that the pricing is not bad at all compared to other scents. Yeah, the pricing is not bad. So I have the full size of Meadow, which is described as classic floral. The keynotes in it are orange blossom, ethereal tuberose, and white rose, and it just smells so amazing. It's honestly been my go-to fragrance. So if you're on the market for a new fragrance, I would highly recommend to check out Skylark scents. They also sell like a pack of sample sizes, so you can get like different scents in smaller sizes, and I believe that is, I just seen it, that's $29. So you get 1, 2, 3, you get 6 scents for $29, and it's the little small sample size like this, so that you can go ahead and try out 6 scents from Skylark, and then from there you can go ahead and purchase the full size. And if y'all want to buy the full size after you try that one, then Sephora does give us another discount usually in December, so you have a month to try it, and then you could go ahead and try out the full size. So following up on the topic of clean beauty, the next product that I recommend that you try out during the Sephora Holiday Savings Event is the Necessaire Body Wash. Okay, this is a vegan, cruelty-free, clean beauty product, and I always rave about it on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you guys do at Kensthetic_. But a lot of people ask me, like, what's the difference between the Necessaire body wash and other body washes that I've used and that I've tried. And honestly, I can just feel my skin being cleansed when I used it on my exfoliating sponge. So if you are looking for a new body wash, if you are looking for at least one product to pick up during the sale, then I will highly recommend this body wash. I have the eucalyptus scent, but it also comes scent free. So if you do have sensitive skin, then I would recommend the scent free, and it also comes in sandalwood as well. The last product that I'm going to recommend for the Sephora sale is a lip product that I have been living for, and I feel like I cannot live without, and that is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I know you guys probably seen it all over social media, all of these influencers using it, speaking about it, and when I tell y'all the hype is real, the hype is real, okay? I don't lie, I don't sugarcoat nothing. I spend my own coins on a lot of things, so when it comes to giving honest reviews, I'm that girl, because I don't like to spend my money and be disappointed. But the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask is that girl, okay? I use it at night, I use it during the day. The only thing that I don't really like about it is that you have to dip your finger in it. It does come with an applicator, but when I'm on the go, I prefer to just use the Laneige lip balm, because that way I can just go ahead and directly apply it to my lips. But I would highly recommend those two products. To me, the formula is the same. A lot of people say, oh, they think it's different, but for me it's the same. They both make my lips soft, they leave my lips moisturized, they be, you know, making my lips nice and juicy. So if you are looking for new lip products, then I would highly recommend to check out the Laneige. I use the scent or the flavor of berry, which is the pink one, but they also have a lot of other fragrances, scents, options, flavors. So you could go ahead and try it out. I will highly recommend. I think I said Laneige was last, but this is the last thing. Is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Chocolate. That's actually what I have on my lips right now. I love this lip gloss. I actually have like 4 of them now. I just go ahead and put one on each of my bags because it is so good. Like, first of all, it smells amazing. Second of all, it just looks amazing on all skin tones. It gives your makeup a nice lip without giving too much of a lip. And even though it is a lip gloss, I feel like it's not as sticky as the formulas of other lip glosses. So if you haven't tried out gloss bombs, girl, what? And 2, if you haven't tried chocolate, then go ahead and check it out. So that is basically everything that I have purchased recently from Sephora, as well as my recommendations for their upcoming holiday savings events. Comment down below and let me know if you guys plan on snagging any of my recommendations during this sale. Also, comment down below with what you plan on picking up from this sale that I did not include in my video. Comment down below and let your girl know. So before you guys head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 7,000 subscribers, and I want all of you guys to join because it's going to be a very big thing, period. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like this video. If you guys found the recommendations and products helpful, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, opinions, your recommendations, anything else that's on your mind. Leave it down below, and until my next video, which will be tomorrow, I'll see you guys later.